Okay, review ulit tayo for coming civil service exam. And now, reading comprehension po tayo dahil ito po ang time-consuming sa lahat po ng categories pagdating po sa exam. At alam naman natin, when it comes to exam, oras po ang ating kalaban. At tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin makuha ng mabilisan ang sagot. Okay, so sagutan po natin ito. When it comes to reading comprehension, ay time-consuming po talaga dahil napakahaba. At ang hinahanap dito, the paragraph best supports the statement. Okay, so pag ganito po ang nakita nyo sa exam, kunin nyo na po agad yung topic sentence. Okay, ano nga ba yung topic sentence? Ang topic sentence can stand alone. Kumbaga, siya po yung main na pinag-uusapan. Dito, hanapin po natin sa ating problem. Patience is the key of any genre of photography. Next sentence, most of the time, the photographer has to wait. Okay, so dito pa lang makikita na natin na itong first sentence natin, ito ang topic sentence. Siya po yung pinag-uusapan dito sa buong paragraph. That patience is the key of any genre of photography. Yung pasensya daw ang key sa lahat ng genre ng photography. Okay, next sentence tayo. Most of the time, the photographer has to wait. Okay, so take note of this. The word wait ay related din po dito sa patience. Next sentence natin. One can capture several frames of a scene. Okay, so it talks about patience din. Related din po dito sa ating topic sentence. But there is only 1% moment where you can say, that's the shot. Next sentence natin, the photographer has to look at things from a different perspective. Okay, so related din po sa patience, meaning tinitignan niya sa iba't ibang perspective. And the last sentence, one has to think and search for a different angle to separate the images from the usual shots. So, konektado din po ito sa patience. So, pag nahanap na po natin yung topic sentence, tignan na lang natin dito. Okay, sa choices, the paragraphs best supports the statement that A. Creativity is needed in getting the best photo. So basically, hindi ito yung hinahanap. Letter B, in photography, patience, okay, is needed to get the best shot. So dito pa lang, alam na natin ng sagot ay letter B kasi may word na patience. Based dito sa ating paragraph, yan po ang ating topic sentence. So, the answer here is letter B. Ganun po yung technique pagdating po sa reading comprehension. And usually, not all naman po, laging nasa unahan yung topic sentence. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!